you can easily add in locations to your events inside of Google Calendar. So to do that, let's say for example, I have this event right here. If I want to add in location to it, I'm going to click on this and then click on the edit event icon right here. Once I do that, you can see add location is an option. And once I click on this, nothing happens right now. You can type in anything you want. Let's say for example, in office floor 3 right here. So I can type in office floor 3. And here you can see that it even shows me a suggestion right here, but I can leave it as it is and press save. And what happens is that the calendar event says office floor 3. But let's say the event is in a known location. So in order to do that, you can actually type it in and it'll show you real locations. Let's say for example, for vacation, this is going to be Yangon city right here. So this is Yangon right here, and then it says Yangon, Myanmar, Burma right here. And if I were to press save, it took help of Google Map, and even when you click the Google Map, it'll show out that exact location right there. So you can see that it shows Yangon city of Myanmar right here, just like this. And then you can then your people who want to know where the location of the event is, they can open this up in Map and see where the exact location is in Maps as well. And that is something that you can do in Google Calendar. So that is how you can add locations inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.